brand new YouTube channel that we haven't even launched yet. And I was like, why haven't you started recording? He's like, I'm gonna go get my camera. So I'm just a big bowling nerd, and I've always wanted to do our league night videos. So this is our first night that we're recording, and I told Uncle Paulie, I'm like, hey man, come up. He had no idea what we were doing. He's like, what is this?
Yeah, the camera. I'm like, what the heck is with the camera? That is a nice camera. But he does this kind of stuff professionally. Let's watch his game. Last game what was your last score? What was the last score?
I had a 256.
256. And then, so he started this game out with the strike as he watched, as he saw. And he's talking to the camera. He's got the mic on.
This is like, what's the movie? Inception. I got so many cameras. But now you got your vlog out. Did you tell them about your the news that you told me earlier? Or are you ready to share that yet? I won't spill the beans yet. We'll wait till when he makes the announcement.
Hey, Jeremiah, should I get some pizza?
Yes, their pizza is actually not too bad here, actually. Surprisingly, but if they put it that little pizza. How many pizzas have you reviewed? Do you have a tally?
How many pizzas have I what?
That you've reviewed lifetime?
Frozen pizza, almost every one. Unless there's new ones out. I don't know. I don't even really like frozen pizza. Oh, not good for the homeboy.
Out the camera, now I can't strike. I mean, I think you got one. What do you all want to see? Like I said, we're going to tell the stories that we're going to interview every single night, you know. The other thing that's on our there. We haven't interviewed them yet, but we're going to say that for after, you know, just trying to get to know.
Next week you get a real character. I won't be here next week.
My cousin, shout out to cousin along. It's going to be awesome. Let's go! I had to get back on the strike train. I told you last time. I was like, well, strikes went away. But that's what makes bowling so hard, bro. Like, so you think that you can keep striking, like, but the thing is like you see like the lanes how glossy they are. That's the oil on the lanes. But the more that you bowl, the ball just takes the oil, so it dries out the lanes and it just makes it curve more. And that's why I can't throw a strike every time. That's good fun.
What's your favorite pizza? It doesn't have to be frozen. really good pizza place back home on Jamestown, New York. It's called Venus Pizza. Whenever I go home, I go there.
Maybe I'll get some pizza here. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Oh, I guess not. You're a ham.
Very lucky. Very lucky.
Jeremiah won't say anything, but I was Jeremiah won't say anything. I didn't say something about everybody getting split.
Get me? Got me. Let's go.
Jeremiah is a bit of a ham. Okay, Jeremiah is gonna go into the 8th frame here. Cleans off the ball. Things are getting a little oily on that ball. He cleans it off. He's posing. He's posturing. He's getting ready to approach. Look at that throw. Oh my God. What's that?
YouTube channel then?
Oh yeah.
I should probably follow it.
If you want to.
What's it called?
I'll show it. I'll show you here in a sec. I basically just do food, but a lot of pizza. Yeah. You are champion. Looks good, but it's not good enough. Yeah. He'll pick this up easily. Yeah.
Another 7.
Right.
Oh my gosh.
We're down
This
by
is what makes bowling so hard.
We're down by 3 seconds. Tonight at Striker.
Now currently, Jeremiah is rolling a 165 in the 8th with the spare followed by that in the 9th. Is he going to get a 200? Is he going to get over 200 in this game? I think so. We'll see. It all depends on this last frame.
We were up 6. Started, so Jeremiah strikes in the first ball, and all that.
10th frame. Here's his first throw. I don't know. 193. Yeah, he's gonna pick this up. No doubt about it. All he has to do is get six pins and be over, get a 200 game. I think he'll do better than that. was a 202
Hey, it's fun, buddy.
here in the third game.
It's always fun bowling.
Oh, yeah. He still bowled a 202, and for him, that's an off game. Very good game, though. His teammate bowled a 193. Good job, Jeremiah.
Thank you, thank you.
I gotta get going.
Oh, Paul, yeah.
Yeah,
At the time, she was like, where are you at? I'm staying all night.